Guys, I'm going to make a cookies today with all my stuffings today. And I have this for the Dutch cookies, and I have this for the chocolate chips. And this is to cut them out. And this is to roll it. With toy Play-Doh, we're going to make cookies with it. Mom, this is mixed. Oh, this isn't right. It isn't going good, but I guess it will go. And now we just need to roll it out. Just making one cookie.
Ooh.
I know, I can use it to take the edges off. Yeah, all the edges are off. But how are our chocolate chips? We cut them out. Right, here's a good one. And then a chocolate chip. It looks like a chocolate chip. Then I made real actually chocolate chip from Play-Doh. I'm not mixing this, just putting it on. Like that. And can make some more. Does this look like a cookie? And now we're gonna make it, and look how good it made so far out of the oven. So now we're gonna just still get some more chocolate chips and put it on. There's only one time for only one more. And now that's done, we can get that and cut this one. Only two fell off. Now we're just going to put them back on. And then now my cookie's done. Just need to put one more in the middle. Now we just need to put it back on. That's how good it came out from making so good and far. Just need to put it in the oven. Oh, now it's done. And here's the cookie that I made. Look when Bob bought and come. Look how good tomorrow it is. Bye. That's my video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked my video and subscribe.